Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Diksha, and in the past few videos we have covered how to create an object, added fields on those objects, and created a master detailed relationship between the created objects. If you haven't watched those videos, the links are in description box. You can check those videos too. And for today's video, we will be covering how to use a roll-up summary and how to create a formula tag field in Salesforce. So let's jump to our Salesforce org. Alright, so to create or to use a roll-up summary field, we need to go to the setup object manager and search for the object on which you want to create or you want to use the roll-up summary field. And if you are following the videos, you know that we have created a object called job. We will search for job, and inside job we will create a roll-up summary. For that, go to the field and relationship and then click on new. First thing to be noted that roll-up summary can be created only on the parent object. So in the last video, we have created a relationship between object called job and another object called candidate. So job was parent and the candidate was a child. So if we want to count the numbers or finding the minimum maximum value from the candidate, we can create a roll-up summary over the parent, and this roll-up summary can only be accessible or can only be enabled when we use master detail relationship between two objects. So if I select for roll-up summary, and in the description we can see a read only field that display the sum, minimum or maximum value of a field in a related list, or the record count of a records listed in the related list. So what is related list? Let's go to our job object. In the HR coordinator, we can see there are there are two records from candidate are listed here. To count these records and want to show these counting on the HR job role, so we will have to create a roll up summary. Okay, so click on the roll up summary, click on next. Field label as application received. Okay, if you want to add description or help text, you can add on, but for now I'm just skipping that. Click on next. What you want to do? You want to do sum, count, min, max. So we are using just count option. So for that I have to choose the object here. So the object that has been connected with this particular object called job is candidate. So we will be counting the candidate records, and we will be choosing all records should be included in the calculation. Okay, we are not setting any criteria, we are just counting the records. I'm choosing visible to all profiles, then next, again save. So as we can see, we have created our roll up summary type field called job application receipt, and let's go back to our object job role and refresh the page. Yeah, we got our field called application receipt, and the counting is 2. Why it is showing 2? Because the candidate which is related to this particular job role is 2, so it will only showing that the related list or the related list of record as in the form of numbers. Okay, now let's create a field, a formula type field that counts the remaining slot for this particular job. So again we have to go for setup. So there's a quick navigation here. Click on create sign and then edit object. So you will be navigating to directly to this job objects. Now again, fields and relationship, click on new. This time we are going to choose formula and then next, and we have to decide the label. Let's name it as remaining slots, and the formula return type should be number, as we are going to give the number, and decimal place should be 0, because application would not be in the decimal values like zero point 0.1, 0.2, so we have to decide it as 0. Now what we are going to do, we are having app openings, and then we have to minus, we have to minus, yeah. So application received minus or subtract from opening, so it will share the current remaining slots. If we need to check syntax, no syntax errors, we will create, click on next. Again the same process I will follow, and then save. And now our new formula field called remaining slots has been created. Let's go to our job object again. Let's refresh the page. Okay, let's go back to our object from here. Search for jobs. And yes, we can see the remaining slots that we have created, that was a formula field, is now visible. So as we can see, there are three pencil signs on these records, sorry, these fields are here, but not for these two fields, because they are read only field. So that's how we create a roll up summary and a formula field in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe and like button, and wait for more videos. And in the next video we will be editing the page layout, and we will be creating the page layout for the Salesforce. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thanks for watching.